Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Oops. Welcome, welcome. Get settled in. We're going to see if we can catch another nice trade today. Good morning. Coffee in hand, ready to hopefully catch another nice winning trade just like we did yesterday. Watch that Apple, everyone. Watch Apple today. AAPL is worth watching above that pre-market high for calls. But we'll be watching NQ here, see if we can catch some futures trades as well. I haven't looked at Apple in a minute. It may be selling off. Oh, no, looks good. Sorry about my vase. Me too. There's some rough coaching that game. Some bad decisions made, but what can we do? Welcome in, everyone. Market opens in 2 minutes. I gotta talk to Team Bull. I'm gonna unmute them and talk to them for a second.
Nebraska jacket on today. I got all my retro Nebraska jackets.
Good morning.
What's up, Grizzly?
Hey, man. This Apple's worth watching today, Team Bull. It's on the watch list. Above that pre-market high, calls look good.
Apple, huh?
Oh, yeah. First price target, if we get to take it, if it doesn't move too quickly, it'll be that 264.3.
That actually looks decent too as a retest to like 260.
Yeah, I like that as well. We kind of got close to it there pre-market, the 260.7 area.
Oh man, come on.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Is anyone else drinking some good coffee right now? Market opens in now, 10 seconds.
Trade your plan. Let's go.
I have a feeling this Apple is going to move quickly here. And it did.
It is. Wow. Let's get this going. All right. There we go. We got SPY on the screen. We got NQ on the screen. Game time. All right.
What's up, Joe or Prestige? Hope you're doing good as well. Good morning. Glad to see you this morning. What's up, Corey? Everyone, my bounce area on NQ 25,200 is where I'm watching. Not really interested in this pre-market area. Warrior, it looks decent for a bounce at pre-market, but I want a little lower. I really like that 25,200. So, welcome in. If y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. And remember, there's never a good reason to tilt, to take trades that aren't there. Let's be patient and do this the right way, okay? What? This is TradingView here. TradingView charts. I don't trade off the TradingView charts. This is just up to show you all the levels, yeah. To show you all what I'm watching. Does anybody take that? Did anybody take that apple? I know it happened quickly, but it's making this move here.
Wow. You know what would have been even better is if we pulled back to 260. The Fed made that move.
Apple's probably my favorite setup of the day, honestly. Hopefully, caught the entry above that pre-market high. It happened quick, like I thought.
It happened quick. How was Asia session, Gene? You had two trades that went up like 15, 20 points? Nice.
Oh, if you what is that? What's up? Any questions for me? We got plenty of time. Hopefully you caught the Apple trade. For those in the Apple trade, this is the first trim, if anybody caught it. I tried to give you all fair warning, it'd be quick.
That Apple went crazy. Literally, if it could have just waited till even 5 minutes in, it said, no, first 5 minutes, let's just rip.
I knew it was coming. I could just, the chart, the move was there. We broke above that key resistance. We came back down, retested it for the most part, pre-market. Ready for the next leg up now.
It's had a lot of relative strength too. It's been really strong.
Mm-hmm. All-time highs.
For anyone who ordered Team Bull merch yesterday, their shirt, their sweatshirts, their shorts, their muzzle tanks, all of it has been shipped out too.
Good morning. How is everyone? We're waiting on a NQ trade. Appreciate all the likes and thumbs up. What's up, Nick? How you doing? Well, 25,200 is my bounce area if we get down there. Gonna watch that closely. We got 6 more minutes or so. Well, less than 6 minutes before 15-minute range is in. Which could set us up for another trade like we caught yesterday. So far, we have been respecting technicals this week. So, I'm going normal size. Remember what we talked about yesterday with the prop firms? If you're struggling to reach payouts, all that good stuff, 3 to 5 MNQ max position size until we get it under control for you. Until you learn how to manage your trades properly and reach payouts, 3 to 5 MNQ. Deal? Or keep it light? Let's do it right. Ideally, with that position size, it's not always going to be this way, but we want to get into the trade closest stop loss to possible. So if we can keep it within that 20-point range stop loss, that'd be awesome. I know every trade doesn't work out like that. Sometimes we do have to allow for a little more drawdown before the trade invalidates, but we're going to try. Have I had the Mustang out lately? I haven't had the Cobra out in a minute. What is going on here with this stupid chart? TradingView is this. I love TradingView, but it does give me issues regularly. But they usually straighten out pretty quickly. You just notice the delay in data between charts, and it takes a little longer to load your charts, or it just like it bunches them together. You have to keep manually fixing them. What are my buy and sell indicators based on in Grisology? So Grisology has supply and demand for one strategy. It also helps with trend entry as one of its strategies. It has the orb strategy. You can change the orb 15-minute range or 30, and you can change it to retest or breakout confirmation. And it uses delta. Delta is one of the confirming factors for supply and demand. But typically with the trend, we try to catch trend above pre-market high or low as far as that goes. So. Nice, Brett. Hopefully you like it. Make sure, for those that are trying Grisology new, one thing you need to know, a new indicator's coming, free of charge, for those that are already subscribed. And another thing is, if you got the 7-day free trial, if you don't like it, just be sure you cancel it. That way you don't lose any money. All right? Save me the trouble of having to go through all that. YouTube, can we hit the thumbs up at the top? Let's get some of that rolling. We got close to my bounce area there. I wanted a little lower. Well, 30 points or so, but that can happen quickly with NQ. All right, Team Bull. Watching that 25,200 on NQ for a possible bounce. If we get down there,
40 points down.
Yeah, 25,000. I want to see us flush it, that 25,200, and get like a high volume candle reclaim for entry.
I can get down with that.
As long as we don't have too much risk on the confirmation candle. I'm gonna let some. I don't know if you're trading shares or options with the Apple trade, but I'm gonna let this trade ride. I trimmed once. I'm just letting it ride. I mean, don't let it go red on you, of course, and make you have a red day, but I'm gonna let this run. See if we can get it. If we break above that 265 on Apple, I mean, we have some serious room up. So. I guess the way to do this, if you got in, you know, trim down to your free runner, let it ride.
Hey, Gene, guess what we're doing today?
What's Target at, Bill? Let me look. I haven't even. I looked at IG Live, but my chart was being weird, would not show me the current price. I don't know. Oh, nice. 92.5. We're up about $1, right? $1 per share to start the swing trade off. Did anybody take the Target swing trade with us yesterday? I was live when I gave it to you all. I took shares, but did anyone take options? If so, how are they moving? Target's actually ripping right now, Bill. That move, as soon as you say that, it dipped down, ripped up 30 cents. Let me talk to Team Bull for a minute. Team Bull, did anyone take the TGT swing trade with me yesterday? I'm curious if any of you all took leap options instead of shares. How are they moving? I took shares, so it's up over $1 already. I'm looking for 100 plus there.
Some Romanian split squats. You know what will be the death of me with legs? It's Bulgarian split squats. Oh, I hate those things. Ah. Not my favorite. The Bulgarians are rough.
Come on, NQ. Go on down for us. You were right. Give us that breakout, though. We need this candle to close below it for a possible. Nope. Any questions? Plenty of time for questions, everyone. What is up with the emojis this morning? Whatever they are. Drink some coffee, just being patient. Docs on XRP. What are we at now on XRP? Let me take a look in front of me. Will I ever get to join the XRP army is the question. That's the question. XRP. Well, I can get it to pull. There it is. Psych. Selling off. Someone let me know if we get closer to that too. I'm gonna buy some. So. That's possible. I don't really have any good sense of direction right now, though, as far as NQ goes. Not that I need it. I'm just gonna wait on my setups, but. While we're waiting on the setup, it's another reminder not to tilt, stay disciplined, wait on confirmation, and if you all like trading futures, maybe you don't have the capital or don't want to risk your own money, you can use a prop firm. And Apex and Take Profit are both solid prop firms. You can trade with their capital or their sim funded accounts. Go to grizzlytrades.com, check them out. You'll see Apex and Take Profit. Use code Grizzly. Yeah, that's it. Appreciate that. Oh, Robert, there's a crypto winter coming. It should be getting here. That is when, we're going to see stuff go negative 50, 60%. Buy a dime or buy $1 for a dime, right? I have held my crypto through like 2 crypto winners, maybe 3, 2 or 3. We will. Appreciate all the thumbs up. $25,200 to bounce area. I'm not for sure, but I'll let you know when if I take anything, and for those that only trade options, if you can trade QQQ options when I enter this NQ, so. Mm-hmm. We got 3 minutes, 40 seconds on this candle or so. Let's let this candle close, then we'll check out the volume. We may have to go with the 30-minute range today instead of the 15-minute. Just the way it's looking. Not a whole lot of difference, but it could mean a lot of difference for the orb. If we try the orb strategy, could make a lot of difference. No questions today? Yeah, we'll watch for the orb. We're just so close to my bounce. If they're pretty close, I usually go with the 30 minute. If they're pretty close in range, and we haven't had the move yet. How did I find my bounce level? You can see it on the hourly NQ chart if you pull that up. It's hard for me to show you on this small chart here. If you go to the hourly, you'll see the 25,200. It's more of a zone, but my game plan was if we flush at 25,200, and what I'm going to look for is a high volume confirmation candle to close back above, and that's where I want my entry. I'm not interested in just touching it and taking longs. We have to have confirmation, right? Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. What is Apple doing? Well, this could be the candle he's looking for. Only just started. Needed to be high volume. Close below range. There's quite a bit of selling here, right? Oh, I can't go yawning. Target is pumping. We got a good entry, huh, yesterday. I don't think they make any stronger coffee while I'm drinking. I mean, espresso, but Gonna have to start a drip, put it in IV, a little coffee. I'm not in anything yet. I've never tried that before. Greek coffee. Well, I'm just talking to Team Bull muted as always.
Let's go.
I was talking, but I was muted, Jadon.
Kind of figured you were. I was asking if you saw anything you liked yet.
Nothing yet. Just looking around. That Apple did well. That Target swing's up nice. We started in Team Bull yesterday. Trying to decide if I want to look for the orb entry down or if I want to take my bounce area at 25,200. I think if we get confirmation on the orb, I'm going to play it down to that, manage my trade as always, and possibly take that trade as well if it confirms. Great minds think alike. All right. You all about ready for a trade? Finally.
I know it's boring. I know that you guys want the discipline. I know you want to hit that buy button.
Thanks for letting me know Jaden was talking to me. See if Jaden's going to take a trade here.
Right? If we see this wick right here turn into our lower high, I have no FOMO if this is what we see. Now, if we had an aggressive candle here, higher volume, everything looked good, I had clearly defined stops. Then if I'm...
Nothing yet. Good morning. He's on vacation with the wife. He'll be back next week. Bill, that target straight ripping. Love to see it. Medman, he takes more vacation than I do. Medman's got the good life. Good morning.
Plan. Still no confirmation. We have a nice wick.
That's where
technically speaking, you could try here 253 with
hold on a
stop
second.
253, 20 points of risk, but
that's where Medman is. He vacationing here. Everyone loves Tennessee for vacations. You know, I hate going to the vacation spots in Tennessee though during traffic, during like the weekends, because it's so bad trying to get through. Like Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg are horrible on the weekends. Where's your favorite vacation spots? While we're waiting on a setup. Yeah, I've been trading so long I forgot the traffic, huh? Yeah. You like Vegas, Bill? I've never been to Vegas, like as far as like going out in Vegas and stuff. I don't go if I need to start. I've said I'm gonna start. GD's always mentioning it, but nice, Matt. Hope you had a good vacation, man. I just don't like going out. I don't know. I guess I'm just my type of a good day for me is like working, lifting weights, and just like having some nice steak, right? At the end of the day. So like a win. Maybe hiking, hunting, fishing, all that good stuff. Miami is okay. I didn't have the best experience when I was there, so when I was younger. I say younger, 5 years ago or so. Do I drink whiskey? I don't really drink that much. I used to drink whiskey. I've been trying not to drink much. Let me rephrase that. I don't drink often, but when I do drink, I can get a little carried away if I'm not careful. Had a bad encounter in Miami. Bad experience. Gotta explain. The OGs know why. Some of the OGs on here know why. We're just being patient. There's no trade to be made yet. We're gonna catch one. We're just waiting. Sounds like a good time to me. Fishing in Long Island. Sounds like a good time. Well, appreciate the follows. See what Team Bull's into. Is he in a trade? Anyone in a trade?
Not yet. So on Golan looking.
That land I bought has the land I purchased. You can fish right off of it. The creek runs right by it. Wish you'd taken target. It's okay, Nelly. We'll get you some more swing trades going. I'm gonna start. For those that didn't know, I went live during Power Hour yesterday at 3 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. And that's where we got into swing trade, the target swing trade, which is up $2 on the shares right now. But I'm gonna start doing at least one Power Hour per week, alongside. Of course, I'm still gonna do the live trading every morning, but so we can find swing trades, all that good stuff. We're gonna be day trading, swing trading, long term, and selling options together. So hopefully we can just make a bunch of money and hang out. Oh, Santa Rally. You all have heard of the Santa Rally, right? It's usually around October when we do start seeing it. Some cases, but could be a little closer to December. higher volume candle. It is indeed. It reclaimed that, but we're right below this point of control. Well, I'm disappointed we didn't get all the way to my bounce area, but I guess. $273. What's up? I've been great. How about you? I have been great. Oh, that is right. I didn't even think about that, MJ. It's a good point. Good point. Same area, wasn't it? That's awesome, PRV. Glad I could help you in some way. See how we're rejecting that point of control? Everyone? Decent reject off that. I didn't realize how big that candle was. Keith. Get a room. Sound like me. Point of control. Volume based. It's basically the highest volume point on the time frame that we're looking at. Think of it as volume-based support and resistance. I kind of like shorts here. Let me see if anybody's in trading Team Bull.
Doesn't look good.
Is anybody in a trade?
I am. I tried longs. Are you looking at something? Feel free, if you like something, Grizzly, feel free to call it out. I'm not loving what I'm seeing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
I don't like closing trades just because of one candlestick, but
I like shorts here, everyone, but Jay doesn't see something different, so I think it's best if we just wait. Jay Dunn's currently long, and I don't want to. If he sees something here that I don't want to risk it. I want to take shorts there because, you know, we had this nice sell-off. We came back up, retested this VWAP and point of control. Right there would have been the short entry right in this area. It's okay. Don't FOMO in and chase. I didn't want to confuse everyone inside Team Bull either, you know. I just took a losing trade. This is part of it. Nothing for Jay Dunn. He'll bounce back. We need a strategy for point of control. I'm telling you all, it is very well respected. I just don't have a good strategy for it. Maybe we could just create one together. So if you have any ideas, DM me. That one does hurt, doesn't it? It's horrible. It'd have been a massive trade. Point of control, Marty. Highest volume point for this time frame. You heading out? Wow. What a move.
let's see here.
It was more than just point of control if I'd have went short there. We had aggressive selling volume to start, then we just retested back up to VWAP and that point of control.
20 more seconds on this candle. Let's see. If we get this, let's see, the high is 67, 57, 47, 37.
I don't want to take no bounces now, everyone. I'm going to look for a short entry again.
we gotta pop up into these 30s in here. I'm open to shorts. If we go above 68, I'll stop for a loss and I'll blame the market and be done for the day.
You're watching the same thing I'm watching, Jay, down up here for
Right.
short.
If I lose, it's the market's fault, not mine, right? No, but the setup looks decent.
I'm trying shorts. I'm in NQ shorts. Took the shorts, everyone. NQ.
What's the
223. A better ad area would be in the 30s. $233 would be a great average for your position if we. Hopefully we don't retrace this candle too much. Don't position too heavy on this.
I don't know, baby piece with you too. Of shorts. With room to add. So I accepted that extra like 10, 15 points of risk. I'd rather see the 30s. I mean, I'd really love to see like 40. That's what I would really.
So my stop loss on this would be a close. Well, what is that? 245. Above this. If we close above this midline, I feel like this invalidates it for us. Because that pre-market low is a little too much risk for me.
I'd like to see 40s, and if we end up going above like 68, I'm just wrong. And I'll likely be done for the day. I might hang out for a little bit, but I'll accept my red. I will accept my fate of red while still choosing DOD.
205 will be my first trim spot, everyone. 205. If we get down there. Everyone following along, hear me well enough?
Well, we hear you loud and clear, my boy. I'm with you. I'll trim with you down there towards 200 too.
Come on, push down.
Go.
Flush for us. There we go, trim. That is
That
what I'm talking about.
Took some off. My baby size.
Stop loss at entry. Stop loss at entry. So wherever you entered this trade, that's where your stop should be. Do not give back profits.
We want more. We want more. Come on.
How we doing? We making some money? I know you are.
All right, I'm going to stop here. Your entry. Look to re-add if we go higher. There we go. Break even. Break even. We'll take it. We'll take a break even. We'll take a break.
Trade's
even.
over.
We got that one down to 200, but I wanted to see more.
Trade's over for me as well, everyone. Got that one nice trim off, then it came back up. That's how you manage a trade. Don't hold. Do not let your trade turn red.
We'll take
I'm
it.
serious.
One win, one lose. One scalp loser, one scalp
You have to
winner.
manage your
Take
day
it.
trades, just like
All
we
right.
did.
Now we're 1.5. Nice job, Grizzly. Great initial call.
Thanks, man.
Nice job, bro. Got a little piece with you too. Knocked out that first loser, so I'm happy about that.
Surprised we bounced back up there. Honestly, I thought we would see that 220, the 25, 205, then sell or break below that, flush below it, then possibly a quick reclaim. But
GC. There we go, Team Bull. It's not a banger, but we'll take it. This market's annoyed me.
man,
I still actually like the shorts we pop into here.
yeah, I agree. I see another short entry up there. Well, That's not the type of candle you want to see for shorts. That previous close.
Nope. I actually do like shorts all the way up to like two. I'd like to take 250, and then your stops above 268.
Oh, it cannot bounce off London low because
shorts Hellfire. I don't know what.
London market's still open, so it's still making lows.
I lost on my first longs entry. What, Gene? Yes. Yes. Both. I'm telling you, put my hat on, my glasses on, and call it small winning trade.
Right here would be another possible short entry. I'm just hesitant to take it. We just made some money off that
trade, so I'll be here for till 11:30 Eastern.
This technically would right in this midline fair value gap. Let's see what we do here on this candle. Maybe if we close below it.
No new entries for me. Technically speaking, this would be that if you wanted a lower high entry, the shorts would be in here with stops above 68. One small loser, one small winner so far for me today. 100% discipline over dopamine. I got 100% discipline over dopamine rate.
We took one trade and we caught about 20 point-ish, depending on your fill. But didn't get the continuation like we did yesterday. It's okay though. 2 green trades and it's only Tuesday, so week is looking good. Everyone staying disciplined though, for real. No tilt, no forcing trades. Yeah, definitely fair value gap is not valid anymore for a trade. You if you're feeling brave, you could try to reject this point of control again. Just keep your, maybe, I don't know how you would go about it. You'd have to stop out with a 5-minute close above, right? Or, put it above this range high, 304. Gambling keeps you young and broke. What's up? I'm supposed to do a giveaway today, aren't I? That is right. What do you like, Keith? What's your go-to? I actually got to do something real quick while I'm thinking about it. Well, we caught one winning trade. Now I'm just being patient and see if we have anything else set up. Nice. Thing is, I forgot to get the codes from the guy to give away the accounts today. I'm trying to see if he texts me back quickly. If he does, I can give away some accounts. But if I don't want to give some away and have you all waiting on them. Let me see if I have any take profit accounts to give away. Maybe. Nice. Well. Oh wow, I do have some accounts. I've actually got a lot of take profit accounts to give away. I'm gonna start today. So first off, I want to say before I give these accounts away, if you all want to use take profit, you're not in the giveaway or whatever. I try to make it fair and pick different people. Sometimes sometimes I accidentally pick the same one, but if you want to use take profit, go to grizzlytrades.com and click on take profit. Use code Grizzly for the discount. Okay. I'm gonna do two 50K accounts today for the giveaway. I'm gonna pick two people. All right, all of everything 2255. You can have one of them DM me on Instagram. Has to be on Instagram. DM me your email link to Take Profit. So you have to set up a Take Profit account and send me the email that's associated with it for me to have the account sent over. And Dylan Lester 445 is the next one. So there's about knocked off my phone. There's the two winners for today. I said all of everything, right? Didn't I? Was that you I picked? Yeah, all of everything. You're one of the winners. You have to DM me your email associated with Take Profit. And be sure, go get your accounts ready. Even if I didn't pick you and you want to trade futures, Take Profit, use code Grizzly. Go to grizzlytrades.com, click on Take Profit, and use my code. It does help me out some. Appreciate that, Chris. Yeah, I gave away 2 accounts. When's the Grizzly merch dropping? Oh, I have to let Madman handle that. I just let him do all that when it drops. We can get you some merch though. Where did the name Grizzly come from? That is a story I can never tell. On live, at least. Robert, I looked for some yesterday. I didn't see any. I'm going to look again today, so see if we can sell some options. No, it doesn't, Chris. It's not nothing to do with Miami. This price action, honestly, not good. We caught the only setup I like so far. Oh, you like them, Chris? The new reels I've been making? People seem to like them. I think it's so funny when I use that stupid voice though for the reels. So dumb, isn't it? I use mine for the last one, but sometimes I use the ones that you kind of put on there when editing. What made me take that trade earlier and not wait on the retracement? We retested the bottom. About to sneeze. Retested the bottom of the 15-minute range is why I took it. You like it better with my voice, or as opposed to the... I'm trying to think of the name of that guy I use for some of the voices. Can you think of his name? It's something dumb, like Father Time or something. It's funny. Father Christmas, I don't know. Something like that. Well, I think we may have caught the only trade I like today, everyone. See what Apple's doing before we go. Apple's selling back off somewhat. Yeah, I don't like anything else today, everyone. We've had 2 winning trades this week. So the trade we caught today didn't have good follow through, but we did get that first trim off. We moved our stop down, stopped out of entry on the remainder. So we're green on the day. Let's come back tomorrow and see if we can't catch another winning trade. Hopefully get some nice continuation with that, okay? No tilt. You're welcome.